Today, I'll brought to you my project titled Escape the Psychopath. As you guys can see, this is the menu interface for player to be ready to start the game. Now, this part of map in this game is for you and your friends to gather around and create a party members. Each rooms can provide 5 players max. But as for now, I'm playing alone, so I'll be creating a room with 1 member only. The timer should start after the party is being created. Now, while waiting, the objective of this project is to create a hybrid obby-puzzle Roblox game with a thriller storyline. This project also focusing on integrate at least 5 mandatory logic puzzles for progression and engagement. And lastly, to provide an immersive experience through cutscenes, environment, and sound design. After the timer ends, players should be teleported to the main story game. There also will be a loading screen to load all the asset in the game. Player also given an option to skip the loading or wait for all the asset to load in. The problem statement for this project are, obby games are repetitive, often lacking narrative depth, meaningful interaction, and variety. Other than that, puzzle games are static, often lacking dynamic movement and action, making them slow for players seeking progression. And lastly, the market currently lacks a game that effectively synthesizes both action and strategy into a single, high-quality, immersive experience. Now, moving on to the first stages of the game. In this part, player can interact with a victim nearby to get the hint to open up the door. This game also provides coin to keep track with the player scores. Not to forget, player also will be provided with a flashlight to use in the game. On to the second stage. This part is quite tricky. There are multiple obstacles such as spike jump, swinging axes, dark alley, and laser trap. After the player gets to the last part of the stages, there is also a tricky puzzle, which you need to experience once you play the game. I can't spoil the puzzle now, can I? Now, on the third stage of the game, this stage will be focusing on critical thinking and problem solving. This stage provided 4 different riddles, and the player need to solve all the riddles in order to get out from the place. How does the player escape exactly by solving the riddle? To answer that, the door for escaping the place got blocked by a bunch of plank woods. To break down the planks, player need a crowbar from the room that has a code. As you can see the demo here, I can easily break through these planks without breaking a sweat. Oh no, it seems like we fell for the psychopath trap. Well, we are on the 4th stage of the game. This map is designed to be a maze in a cave. In this stage, you will need to find a lever to open up the exit gate. Sounds pretty easy, right? Well, it's not just that. The obstacle here is for you to not get killed by the psychopath in this place. The psychopath will roam around the cave, so be sure to get out from that place quickly. Player also will get a hint by following the red arrows. After the lever being pulled, the gate of the exit should open up and lead a path to escape from the cave. And finally, we are on the last stage of the game. In this stage, you will need to find a small town to find a telephone booth to request help from a local police. While waiting the police arrival, player then can equip a baseball bat to stun the psychopath from chasing you until the police arrives. The baseball bat doesn't do much, but it helps you to buy you some time before the police arrives. And don't forget to collect the coin for extra mark. Also, you need to watch your health while stunning the psychopath. Otherwise, you will likely die if your health down to 0. Now that the police has arrived, it means we have reached to the end of the game. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. Hope you guys have a great day.